So you're a freelancer who's looking to get to six-figure months, but no matter what you do, it feels like you keep hitting an upper limit, right? Like there's a glass ceiling and you can't seem to scale. Or it feels like there's always something keeping you from that next step, or maybe you can't even see the next step in front of you. What you want is smooth sailing. You want to go into each day with confidence that you're going to get the clients that you want, that you're gonna have a great time working with clients, that you're gonna continually be growing your business and bringing on the support that you need to continue scaling. That's not what's happening. Clients are lowballing you. In fact, you can never seem to find the right clients. Everyone that you hire sucks. And you're starting to wonder if this is even possible. In this video, I am sharing with you 5 things that I wish I knew before becoming a freelancer, including some of the biggest mistakes that I made on the journey to becoming a 6 and then 7-figure social media manager. But more importantly, at the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you how to fix some of these biggest mistakes, the things that I wish I knew before becoming a freelancer. Let's dive on in. Hi guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist and mom of 3 located in Minnesota. I've worked with amazing clients, including some brands that you've heard of, such as Mighty and Good Soaps, ClickFunnels, and even Dean Graziosi. We've done over $5 million in revenue, but what I'm really excited to share with you today is that we've done 7 figures in client work. That's right. 7 figures of work directly as a freelancer and then ultimately as an agency. So I am happy to share with you some of the biggest mistakes that I've seen, things that I wish I knew before I got started, and most importantly, how to fix some of these mistakes. We're gonna dive on into these 5, so let's go. Number 1, pricing mistakes. This is something that will keep you stuck time and time again as a freelancer. When you are charging only $300 or $500 per month, or even worse, sometimes I'll talk to people who are doing $50 or $100 per month, it is almost impossible to scale your business. Plus, there is not enough margin to hire the help that you need to create excellent work, which is going to create a trickle-down mistake in every part of your business. I wish that I had known before I started that the bare minimum that I could be charging was $500 per month, and really, I shouldn't be working with a client unless I'm charging $1,000, $2,000, or today we charge $6,500 to $12,500 per month per client. This is absolutely necessary in order to fix a lot of these mistakes because there's a trickle down that happens in your business. Number 2, you need to get clear before hiring. Some of my biggest mistakes with hiring and scaling my business is that I brought people in expecting them to understand what the fix was to my problems. The truth is, if you are hiring someone and you can't clearly articulate the system or the process that you want to bring them in to create or fix, you have no business hiring people yet unless you are paying expert level pricing, which comes with usually a 6-figure price tag. I wish someone had told me sooner. It was really important for me to get clear on exactly what someone's role was before hiring. It would have saved me from a lot of headache and hiring and firing issues over the years. Number 3, I wish someone had told me that it is important to upsell your clients, meaning give them more options for more value and more services. This is something that should come into play consistently, regularly. Upselling your clients is something that you can do to become consistently more profitable, but working more with clients that you like. Number 4, work on retention. This is kind of wild because a lot of times people will ask me the question, how do I find new clients? And I'll notice that they're asking that question over and over and over again. But the truth is, instead of always looking for new clients, one of the best things that you can do is work on retention through giving your clients better results and improving your communication with your clients. And in just a moment, I'm gonna share with you one of the major fixes that is a domino for fixing many of these issues. So let's dive on into number 5. Number 5, you need to be prospecting daily. There's an amazing book by Jeb Blount called Fanatical Prospecting. I always thought that prospecting was something that you just did when you were starting a business. What I didn't understand for the longest time is that prospecting isn't something for just when you're desperate. If you prospect consistently as as a freelancer, as a social media manager, it's kind of like digging the well before you're thirsty. If you try to dig a well when you're thirsty, it's gonna take way too long and you're probably gonna pass out from exhaustion. The same thing is true when you're looking for clients while you're desperate. The best thing that you can do is instead prospect just a little bit every single day. Now, I put together 2 awesome resources for you that are going to fix 2 major problems. And actually, those 2 major problems are going to fix many of these 5 things that I wish I had known. So number 1, I put together a program called 10 Days to 1K. It's totally free to you. It supports you with generating leads, client opportunities, and ultimately revenue for your business. So you can check that out in the bio beneath this video. It is found inside of Social Media United. And the second one is I put together the ultimate pricing guide for social media managers, but freelancers can use this as well. And you can check that out in the link beneath this video. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys later. Do you guys need to bring the bookshelf in? They're like moving a bookshelf right now. It's keeping lids.